guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, mag-unbox po tayo na super trending na Young Living Essential Oils. So actually guys, super expensive po nito. But I'm not sure kung sa iba super expensive. But I think worth it naman yung pagbili ko nito. Okay, so this one is 9,180 pesos plus the shipping fee. So I hope this one is super worth it. Kasi sabi daw sa according to their website, marami daw health benefits ang yung mga essential oils ito. Although before, gumagamit din ako ng essential oils but using the potpourri. But this time, this comes with a diffuser. So I'm curious what is the look of the diffuser. Although I have already the idea. But let's see. Mag-unbox lang po ako. Hindi ko po siya ite-testing. On my next video na po yung testing. So watch out for that. So for now, let's unbox this. Because I'm super excited. Kasi matagal na po itong natenga dito sa bahay. Ngayon ko lang po talaga ito na-unbox. And it comes with my new hair. Charot! Anyway, let's open this one. Okay. So, actually, ginagamit din to ng mga artista. Charot! So, feeling ano. And, as also, pagkakaalam ko, may membership program din siya. Okay? So, ayan po. Ayun. May plastic na walang laman. Okay. Ah! Ito na siya. The seed of seal. Ha?
Kaya mo siya shake-shake mo.
Shake-shake. Ayan. What? I think I will be happy. Super, super happy. Ayan, guys. So, ito is the ayan. I think this one is the diffuser. Ayan. Okay. Actually, guys, nakikita ko to sa ilabas muna natin lahat. Ayan. Ah, wow! Amazing. Okay. Parang from the packaging itself, ma-impress na ako. So, there's this one. I don't know what's this one. And this one is the shipping turbo. Okay, anyway, let's take this off. Okay. Ayan. Okay, welcome to your Young Living Essential Oils journey. Wow, parang may journey pa talaga. Anyway, ang gusto ko lang naman talaga is mabango yung kwarto and sabi nila may health benefits. So, and this one is also edible daw, sabi nila. Pwede daw inumin or i-take. So, ganda. Perfect. Ayan. So, marami pa akong babasahin. Kasi may mga sinasabi dito mga purpose and kung ano-ano yung mga mafe-feel mo during or kung anong mga ginagamit mo na oils. Okay. So, before, gumagamit ako ng dito muna. Gumagamit ako ng essential oils pero potpourri lang yung ginagamit ko. Tapos, okay naman siya. Medyo mainit nga lang yung room pero caramels na. Pero anyway, sige, may essential oils. And actually, nakikita ko din to sa mga Korean series, gumagamit sila ng diffuser, especially sa mga hospital, yung mayayaman. So, eto po yung diffuser. Ayan. And this one is the essential oil. So, parang libro. Charot! Okay, anyway, let's start opening the diffuser. Kita ba lahat? Ayan. May isa pa daw yung diffuser ito. The Owl 1. Pero, hindi ko alam magkano yun. I'm gonna check this one. So, may, siya, may manual. Okay. Okay, so, dito muna siya. So, ayan. Okay, galing. So, this one is from, sa labas kasi to, from other, I think, I'm not sure what country, pero galing to sa labas. Kaya, siya, medyo expensive talaga. So, what's this one? Ayun. Okay. So, the charger. So, it comes with a charger. Ayan. Unboxing lang naman tayo eh. Hindi pa naman tayo gagamit. Okay.
Hindi ma-rechargeable yun.
Hindi siya rechargeable. So, we'll see. Anong gamit lang? So, wow. Okay. This one. Cute! Okay, wait. I have to be careful. Okay, yan. Ito yung oil diffuser niya. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya gamitin. Ayan. So, may lalagyan siya ng water. I don't know yet, so we'll see. I'm gonna show that one on my next video. For not. Okay, yan. So, oil diffuser plus the plug-in. Kasi kailangan isaksak ito. So, yun na ganun na daw siya. Sure. Okay, next. Ito, the essential oils. Ayan, kita ba? Ayan. Because it comes with, yung pala, baliktad. Ayan. So, it comes with the oils. Ayan na po yung mga oils na sobrang mahal. Ano kayo meron dito? Bakit sobrang mahal ng mga oils nito? Ayan. So, let's get this. Ayan. Nakaamoy ko na sila. Pero actually guys, ito, naamoy ko na talaga to. Yung peppermint. Kasi, nirecommend din kasi ito sa friend ko. Kaya sabi niya, use this or buy this one now. Ayan. Peppermint. Alam mo yung yung naaamoy niyo sa mga spa or pag nagpapamassage kayo. Ito yun. Yan. Meron din naman iba. So, yan. Next. So, meron din siyang mga manuals. But first, let's show you the others. Ano pa yung laman niya. I'm removing it. So, yan. Hirap na ako sa kalisod. Okay, yan. So, ito pala. Dapat pala ito. Okay. So, aside from the essential oils, it comes with this fruit drink. Okay, fruit juice drink. Okay, ano kayang lasa nito? So, lasang fruit siguro. Charot. Eto siya guys. So, it comes with 2 fruit drinks. Ayan. Excited na akong matikman to. Ayan. So, it benefits of a wolfberry superfruit with essential oils. Bongga. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. Ayan. Kita ba? Plus, the manuals of each essential oils. Ayan. So, aside from the drink, aside from the 10 essential oils, meron pa siyang yung mga manuals niya kung how to use it. Ayan. Ito siya lahat. Pwede din daw siya mixture true ba? So, I'm not sure yet kung paano yun. So, I'm gonna check that out. So, that's why we have the manuals. Ayan. And, also we have this yung small bottles or parang roll-on na pwede mong paglagyan if ever you want it with you kung lalabas ka. Ayan. Okay, so it comes with 10 small bottles, I don't know, roll-ons. Ayan. Ito yung roll-on niya, isa lang. Okay. Plus, this one, another essential oil. Stress away. Okay. Wow, stress away. Makakatanggal kaya to ng stress? We'll see. Okay. And, ayan yung cup niya. Plus the manuals here. Okay. So, marami siyang mga manuals. Kasi nga, di ba, mahal siya. So, meron pa nga siya ditong roadmap. Actually, guys, itong Young Living Essential Oils, may membership program po sila dito. Check out yung website nila kung ano yung mga membership program, ano yung membership program. Okay? So, ito. Ayan. So, for the 9,180 pesos, so you already have the oil diffuser, 10 essential oils, plus 1 freebie. Ayan. Tapos 10 bottles ng roll-on. Isa lang yung ganito niya. Tapos with a drink. Okay, so what makes it expensive? Because it has a lot of health benefits actually. Sabi daw ng, so hindi ko pa siya na-test out. So I wanna know what is the difference of this from other essential oils, yung mga ordinary lang. Kasi expensive din siya, no? You know. Pero anyway, by the smell of it, parang matutuwa naman ako dito. Dapat lang talaga kasi I'm not the kind of person na bibili ng kung ano-ano lang na hindi worth it. So, I'm sure or I wanna make sure or sana worth it naman yung pagbili ko dito. Ayan. So, dalawang patak lang daw yung kailangan at babango na daw yung area or yung place. So, actually guys, I really need this one because most of my work kasi, actually I work from home. So, maganda din talaga to sa akin kasi, or kung sino man who is with you kasi, you know, my health benefits, and I needed this kasi dito lang ako lagi sa room and I need to take off my stress. Yan, yung aroma niya or yung scent niya will maybe help me to change my mood if stress ka na, especially if your client is stressing you. So maybe this one will help me. Okay, so ayan po guys. So ayan na po yung oil diffuser, 10 essential oils plus 1 freebie essential oil, then 10 bottles, then yung mga ano niya, mga paano siya gamitin, and the drink, and yeah, more manuals. So I think that's all. So if you wanna buy this one, you can check out the link below kung saan siya pwede bilhin. Actually, you can see this one on a lot of online platform. May mga offers sila doon. You could also check that one. So this one, I got this from my friend or from a client. And then, yun na, na-ship na agad sa akin. So 9,180 pesos plus the shipping fee na around 270 plus. Yun. So may kamahalan siya, but maybe because mahal siya kasi marami siyang benefits. And pwede din daw siya inumin. Pero patak-patak lang daw. Lalagyan mo daw sa water. Not sure, pero yun yung nalabasa ko. So, we'll see. It's best na bumili din kayo. Nag-sales stock agad, no? Pero I don't know yet. I will have another video. I will describe to you kung ano yung mga scent ng each of this essential oils. Ako na lang mag-describe sa inyo. And after a week, gagawa ako ng review on what are the changes or ano yung mga benefits niya na so far it improves sa akin and to other people. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe on my channel, and I'll be doing more videos about you know, just anything under the sun, anything essential, anything useful to you. Yes. So again, thank you, and please subscribe on my channel, LiQWYD, and I'll see you on my next video about this super trending Young Living essential oils with you know, with the oil diffusers na ginamit ko, and this essential oils, each of this. Okay, so actually hindi ko pa siya na-open. Ayan, pero maamoy mo na siya from the bottle. Okay, so I think that's all. So see you and bye!